Welcome back to All About Law. In today's episode, we're exploring a topic that many of you have been curious about. Can a foreigner buy property in Seychelles? Whether you're dreaming of a beachfront villa or a secluded getaway, we've got all the answers you need. So, let's dive into the legalities and procedures that make this paradise accessible to you. Today, I am going to guide you through the process of buying property in this beautiful paradise, the Seychelles. Before we start, it's essential to know that Seychelles welcomes foreigners to own property, provided you follow certain procedures. Now then, let's dive into the major step, the documents you'll need. First up, you'd have to complete the application for sanction forms. These are crucial for any foreigner wishing to buy property in Seychelles. Next, we will need certified true copies of your valid passports. Please note, these have to bear the contact details of the notary or attorney certifying the documents. Whether you live in an apartment in New York or a cottage in the English countryside, we'll need proof of your current address. That's easy to provide. You just need to show us a utility bill that's not more than 3 months old. Whether it's a water bill, electricity bill, or gas bill, it works. Next up, there can't be any skeletons in your closet. No politics, please. You will have to supply a signed declaration that you are not a politically exposed individual. That's intriguing, isn't it? No worries. It's just a measure to make sure everything is above board. And the final document to clear the air, a police clearance certificate. This document is a stamp of your good character. It's a must. In summary, these steps and documents are not difficult to follow or obtain. You're already on the path to owning a piece of paradise in the Seychelles. Have a great day ahead.